What if you could clone the secret formula behind viral social media videos and use it to print money? I'm not kidding. Right now, there's an AI gold rush happening, and smart creators are quietly making thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions by creating AI-powered user-generated style ads. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact tool they're using, how you can replicate their strategy in minutes, and build a serious side income with videos you don't even have to film yourself. First, let's get on the same page about why this is such a massive opportunity. I'm here on YouTube Shorts, and I've just searched for a popular beauty product. Look at these view counts. Hundreds of thousands, millions, even tens of millions of views. These are short, snappy UGC-style videos. That's user-generated content. They feel authentic, trustworthy, and more like a recommendation from a friend than a slick corporate ad. Now, imagine if you could create an endless supply of videos just like these for any product you want without ever picking up a camera. That's the game we're about to play. By embedding your affiliate links with these videos on Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels, a single viral hit could mean a massive payday. The first step is the fun part, picking your product. You can head over to a marketplace like Amazon and become an affiliate for pretty much anything. I'm using cosmetics for my examples today because the audience on short-form video platforms is huge, but this works for tech gadgets, kitchen tools, fitness gear, you name it. For our demo, I've picked out this Victoria's Secret body spray. It's popular, has a clear target audience, and is visually appealing. Once you're an affiliate, Amazon gives you a special link. Anyone who buys through that link earns you a commission. Now for the secret sauce. Once you have your product, your next step is to find your reference video. You'll head over to TikTok or YouTube and search for the product name. You're looking for an existing viral video, something with a ton of views that clearly resonates with people. We're not going to steal this video, we're going to use it as inspiration for our AI. Find one you like, download it, and also be sure to save a high-quality product image from the Amazon page. These two files, the product image and the reference video, are all you need. All right, let me introduce you to the platform that makes all of this possible. It's called TopView AI. This tool is an absolute powerhouse, packed with features like AI avatars and text-to-speech, but today we're focusing on its most mind-blowing feature, the AI agent that recreates viral product videos. Once you're on the dashboard, it's deceptively simple. You've got a prompt box, an image upload, and a reference video upload. For our UGC ad, we'll want a vertical aspect ratio, so 9:16 is perfect. Let's do this step by step. First, I'll upload the product image of the body spray we saved from Amazon. Next, I'll upload the viral reference video I downloaded. The default prompt is simple. Generate an ad video for my product by replicating the content of the video I provide. We could get more specific, but let's see what the AI can do on its own. I'm just going to hit enter and let the agent get to work. This is where the magic really begins. The AI agent doesn't just blindly copy the video, it analyzes both the product image and the reference video to understand the context, the style, and the core message. And check this out. It's now asking me for more details to make the ad perfect. It's asking for the product name, so I'll just copy that from Amazon page and paste it right in. Then it asks about the target audience. It defaulted to young adult, but I'll change that to women. Now look at this. It's asking for the product's selling points, and it has already auto-populated them. Pleasant fragrance, refreshing light scent, affordable luxury, and iconic popular brand. That's incredibly smart. I'll keep all those selected, set the target country to the United States, and confirm the rest. Now the agent is off to the races. It's generating a full video brief, a product description, and designing a storyboard. This is the part that would take a human creator hours, and it's doing it in minutes. Okay, here we go. It's created a storyboard with 6 distinct shots with descriptions and durations for each one. It's going to be a punchy 15-second video, perfect for social media. It asks me for my approval before it proceeds, which is a fantastic feature. The storyboard looks great to me, so I'll give it the green light. Now it's moving to the final step, generating the actual video clips. Okay, the video is done. That whole process took just a couple of minutes. Let's take a look at the result. Not bad at all for a first try. The opening is great, she's holding the right product, she pulls it out of her bag and even sprays it. But, the classic AI weird hands. In the last shot, the hand gesture is a bit of a mess. It's a common quirk with current AI video tech, but here's what makes Top View so powerful. I don't have to just accept it. Down here, it asks for feedback. I'm going to select I have some modification suggestions, and then tell it I want to change a specific scene. I'll just type in that I want to regenerate last shot because the hand gesture is incorrect. The AI immediately understands and gives me options. Do I want a thumbs up, a peace sign, or just have her hold the bottle and smile? Let's go with the peace sign. It's a common gesture in UGC content. Now it's updating the storyboard for just that one shot and regenerating the video. All right, version 2 is ready. Let's see if it fixed the hand issue. And there it is, a perfect peace sign at the end. The video flows beautifully. Now, is it absolutely perfect? If you look closely, there are still tiny AI artifacts, but honestly, this is 95% of the way there. It's more than good enough to post, and it could easily blend in with real videos on someone's For You page. But I wanted to push it further, so I ran another test with a different product, a foundation. And this time, the result absolutely blew me away. I gave it a product image and a reference video that had text overlays and sound effects. I wanted to see if the AI could replicate that complexity. Let me just show you the result. Just look at that. The text overlays, the perfectly synced sound effects, the flawless application of the product on her face, there are virtually no flaws here. The way she holds the product, the lighting, the pacing, it looks completely real. This is the kind of video that stops people from scrolling. If you posted this with your affiliate link, you would almost certainly get clicks and sales. So, let's talk about the cost. TopView AI does have a free plan that gives you 10 credits, which is enough to create 2 full videos like this for free to test it out. Their paid pro plan is about $29 a month, which gets you 80 credits. Since one of these advanced videos uses about 5 credits, that means you can generate about 16 high-quality, ready-to-post videos for that price. When you consider that a single successful video could earn you hundreds or even thousands in affiliate commissions, that investment starts to look very, very smart. This is genuinely one of the most powerful and practical uses of AI I've seen for creators and anyone looking to build an online business. The link for TopView AI is down in the description if you want to try it out for yourself. Seriously, go make your 2 free videos and see what it can do. I hope you guys found this as exciting as I did. If you got some value from this video, a like would be massively appreciated. And let me know in the comments what product you would create an ad for first. That's all for today, and I'll catch you in the next one.